Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu.
So kindly help me. This is my request. Print as many books in as many languages and distribute throughout the whole world. Then Krishna consciousness movement will automatically increase.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda.
Inviting Srila Prabhupada to come and reside in the Vani village in the form of his transcendental books. A year ago we started to build the Vani village, and while we have not completed, there are 3 floors. The ground floor has just been completed. We finished the final touches of cleaning today. Tomorrow we have all of the books arriving.
Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda.
All glories to Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. Thank you, dear devotees, for always encouraging us in our journey. It's been ecstatic. I think this is a wonderful victory that we can have this warehouse for Srila Prabhupada's books. And yes, it shouldn't be just a place where the books are stored, but it should be a place where millions of books are distributed. So, with your blessings, we will continue. Hare Krishna.
Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar